Hello, today we're going to have a look at the portable pressure washer from Streetwize. So let's see what we get in the box. Instructions. The lance extension. The unit itself. Then we get a soft bristle brush. The handle for the lance, and quite importantly a spare set of gaskets and seals which will deteriorate over time. If we have a quick look at the unit, it's graduated on the back, so we can see we can fill it up to 8 litres. There's a carry strap for carrying it with, and then a nice long hose that we can connect everything to. Okay, so now let's have a go at using the pressure washer. So to fill it, we fill it through the hole in the top. I've pretty much filled this already. So that's a full 8 litres in there. Then you put the plunger back in, make sure that's screwed in nice and tight, check all the connections are tight, and then basically you pump it up and down the same as a garden sprayer to build the pressure up. When you hear the pressure release valve just let a little bit of air out, you know you've built sufficient pressure up within it. So let's give it a whirl. So we're going to try it now on a suitably muddy mountain bike after a enjoyable morning out in the mud. So let's see whether this thing actually works and cleans the mud off. So just to recap, I've pumped it up so the pressure's built up, checked all the connections are tight. You can adjust the end of this nozzle so that you get a jet or a fine spray. I would suggest for a bike as muddy as this, what we really want is the jet. So let's give it a go and see if it works. So you can see there we're squirting all that real thick caked in mud, and it does actually work, and it is. And we can actually see that under all of that it's not a brown mountain bike, it's a red mountain bike. And so once we've got the thick of the mud off with the lance, we can then use soft bristle brush and now put some cycle wash in with the liquid. So we've got some soap, and then we can give the bike a thoroughly good clean. So let's imagine we've arrived on a caravan site in our shiny new caravan. We've got mud spattered all over the side. So again, we can bring the portable pressure washer with us, pre-filled with water. You can put some detergent in there as well. And we can loosen the mud off first with the jet. So we can then swap over to the soft bristle brush. So before we remove this, we've got to release the pressure from the pressure washer. So you pull this little safety release valve up until all the pressure's gone, and now see if it really comes out, we can then safely unscrew the lance and replace it with our soft bristle brush. to pressurise the unit again, so we pump it up and down. And then we now get water out of the brush and we can